What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 6B Ant, man. I'm about to give y'all a video. Over the whip. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Over the whip, because a lot of y'all don't know what's done to it. And, like, I'll be claiming fastest NA Gen 2 in Georgia. That's where I stay. And I haven't lost to no other Gen 2 on this setup. Like, no other Gen 2. And I'm a manual. And I race automatics and manuals. I haven't lost yet. I'm going to let y'all know. You know, the sauce and everything, so y'all boys can get right. I'm gonna do a little POV drive and everything. Get on the road, do a little 6130. Oh, I don't even got my key, my dumb. I think that like make it a little better. I got my keys now. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. I ain't got no seats in it right now because the last time I had my car, I recently just got out the shop. I was at the track, so I took everything out. It's nothing crazy. I got the little big screen, so it's a premium. It's extra weight on it too, so like I'll be racing base models, all that. I think I got 331 gears. I think that's the best gearing for this car, really, because like top end is ridiculous in this car. I swear to God, like, boy, you need a Coyote in your life, but everybody done. You gotta drive one of these, like, best bang for the buck ever, literally. I'm finna pop the hood though, so I can show y'all what I got done. Yeah, it's a lot going on right here. I'm not gonna lie. But if you don't know what you're looking at this the version 2. They got 2 Cobra jets. This is the second, the newest one they made. And I got it ported by a 1320 junkie. VMP twin jet, 69mm. You know what I'm saying? I don't got the mono ported. I got the little twin, so I think you can get the mono ported and still have this, but I didn't get it. I should have, but it's too late now. P51 intake, it doesn't come with this. I just put it on here. I don't even know if this works. I just like how it look. I'm probably gonna take it off because it might not even work for real. Might be making more heat, honestly. But I don't know. Yeah, it still be running good. Like, it don't feel slower at all. But like, it's supposed to sit behind this. I haven't cut this out. I heard this like to help drag, so I didn't cut that out. But I see a lot of people with that cut out. I might just do it because I think it might benefit more than what the drag would like mess it up with. You know what I'm trying to say, but I ain't about to talk about all that. And yeah, I still got these tires. I gotta trade these in or sell them because they don't fit. They're 15s, and you gotta shave, like, you either gotta buy this $2,000 kit to fit these on or shave like damn near half your fucking suspension. So I'm not doing all that. So I'm about to sell them, and I done got new tires on them and all, but it's all right. If any of y'all trying to buy some tires though, if you got an S197, hit me up. I got these sitting, brand new tire, all that, brand new wheels. Hit me up for the low. Also got stainless power headers, CJ P51. We got little racing brakes and skinnies. These ain't even skinnies really, cause I got a street tire on them, but they're 205, so it's still lighter than a regular wheel. And I got my stock wheel on because I still need to get another drag pack. And I got Corsair Streams, best exhaust ever, no cap. This car is stupid loud. Probably the best sounding Mustang you could possibly get is with Corsas. And yeah, that's really all my damn mods. And I got them on the back too. And you just need a sauce tuner. If y'all want to know my tuner though, y'all gonna have to run this video. I can't give you the sauce that easy, but if y'all run this up though, I'll definitely put y'all on. Y'all be running. No cap. As you can see, it is stupid quiet. That clock is wrong. It's an hour back. So it's 12:56. About to hop on Mexico. The only reason I'm doing this at night is because I could go fast at night. Mexico be clear at night, you know what I'm saying? So like, I'm not trying to be out there with all I ain't trying to be out there with all the traffic, but bro, my car is gonna be stupid loud. I already know. I just hate doing that to him, bro, cause like fuck it. Oh my, bro. This car need to shut up right now. Alright, calm down. It's driving funny because it's cold still. But I don't want to just sit right there, bro. I gotta drive it. So I'm finna let the car warm up, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when it's warmed up. All right, the car kind of warmed up. Oh, another reason why I'm doing this at night, because the temperatures is way better, bro. It's so hot right now. I don't think I showed y'all, but the only thing I got different on my shift knob is this little thing, and it don't even go on all the way. Like, people think I got a short shifter, bro. No, like, this is the only thing that has changed. Like, everything else is stopped. Transmission, clutch, all that. Oh, and by the way, I'm also on 93. I'm not even on E85 yet. This is like the base tune. So, like, how they do it is they send you one tune, like you tell them all your mods and stuff, and they gonna send you your first tune, and you gotta damn data log it and do all that stuff. So I sent my data log. I'm still waiting on my next tune. So whenever I get that, car should be running even faster than what it is right now. But the car is running really right now. That be running great. Like, it's crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. For a base tune, this shit is crazy. And the reason why, like, I showed y'all my shift knob is that's the reason why I feel like I can shift so good. Like, before I used to get locked out with the little bulb shift knob. Then I switched to this, bro. This joint was like $50, I think. And like ever since then, car been shifting amazingly. That bit is so loud. I'ma just try and shut up for the rest of the video so y'all can just hear the car. Until I do the 6130, then I'm gonna talk. But I'm gonna shut up. It kind of do be jumping a little bit, but I mean, I'm figuring that's just because it's the first tune they sent me. Like, it's no revision on it. This thing's sliding down my head. Hold on. I'm putting it in sport. I ain't gonna turn traction off yet. Do a 6130, but these roads too hilly. Got my iPad. I got no seats in here, so like it definitely sounds way louder here than it's supposed to. I'm finna roll into it from like 50 miles an hour, bro. In third gear though. I ain't gonna do second yet.
it's really crazy like how the car just pulls the same the whole way. Like really, it seems like it pulls harder. Like after 5,000 RPM, like it's ridiculous. Most cars start slowing down after you go on 100, but like it feels like it's pulling the same like the whole time, bro. It's weird, if not faster. I was finna do a pull, but them boys out. Did he crash? Like, what is going on? What the? Boy, that tripping. But yeah, I'm going to my homeboy crib, so I'm just making this video on the way to his crib, and we about to go down, chill. I'm probably gonna make another video when we coming back. Well, this all gonna be in one video, but it's gonna be a pause. Y'all not even gonna know it though. But y'all, that's the only reason why I figured I might as well make a video while I'm going to his house. Definitely been slacking though. I need to get back into these videos, man. But my car finally back, bro, and it's finally running straight. So let's hope this continues. We done drove like 1,000 miles all the way to Mexico, so these roads clear as hell. Can't let y'all see that. These roads, like, no, I'm not about to cover all these. I'm about to blur them out, cause can't let y'all know my whereabouts, you know what I'm saying? The real ones know where I'm at though. It's a bridge up here. I'm about to see what they be talking about in this bridge. So many cars that just broke down the side of the road, bro, because it was so hot in the day. Like, I do not like driving my car in that type of heat. I don't know about other folks, bro, but I do not be driving my car in that type of heat, bro. It was like, bro, it was so hot, bro. Like, I don't even like coming outside when it's that hot, really. That shit is ridiculous. Georgia need to do better. Say I want to do a first gear pull. There's no car behind me. Oh my God. Bro, I'm in sport mode and I just lit the tires up, bro. Just lit the tires up. I know that sounded crazy, bro. Really ain't like the roads on the way here, so when I leave my friend's house, I'm gonna do a 60-130 on this road that's kind of close to here, cause it's more straight. Like, I ain't trying to do it on the road and then get invalid time, cause that's a waste of my time. I'm not about to do that. Trying to get all valid times, you know, so I'm gonna try and find a straight road, because the roads I was just on, which is hilly as hell, it's gonna say invalid, all that. I'm not doing all that. If you know about them dragons, you know that junk gonna give you invalid quick, that hill. If it's the slightest hill, boy, I swear. All right, I just left my friend's house. I'm about to go to this, oh shit, I hit my head. I'm about to go to this spot so I can try and do this run. I'm about to turn on track mode and turn traction off. It's 2:43 in Mexico. It ain't nobody on the roads right now. What, do you hear my shit? It sound Cam, boy. My little straightaway coming up. think it's after this turn. I'm gonna start at like 45 maybe. It's not enough road to go like past 140. Without like slamming on the brakes. Ooh, nobody on the road.
That bit looking good. But yeah, that's really finna do the video. It ain't really nothing going on. I'm out here bro, what the y'all see all these flies? What the fuck are them, bro? Anyway, but yeah, it ain't nothing going on. It's Sunday night. It's like almost 3 a.m. I'm just out here driving. The road's empty as hell. That bit looking good, boy. But yeah, y'all make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. It's finna be more of this coming for sure.